Now that we understand what wireframes are, let's talk about wireframing principles. These principles help us create layouts that actually work for users, not just layouts that look organized. Wireframes aren't just boxes on a page. They follow specific principles that make a layout effective, usable, and easy to understand. These principles guide how users move through a page, what they notice first, and how easily they find what they need. Let's break these down one by one. First, we have hierarchy. Hierarchy is about guiding the user's attention. It helps decide what's most important, what should be noticed first, and what can be noticed later. Every page has priorities. Hierarchy makes priorities clear. In wireframes, hierarchy shows up in a few key ways. Larger headlines are used for main topics. Important content is placed towards the top portion of the page, and key actions like buttons or forms are given more visual emphasis. The goal is simple: emphasize what matters most first so users don't have to guess. The next principle is clarity. Clarity means that users should immediately understand what the page is, what each section is for, and where they should look next. If someone has to stop and think, "What am I looking at?" then clarity is missing. You can add clarity by using clearly labeled sections such as header, main content, sidebar, separate content with spacing, and avoid unnecessary boxes or distractions. Here's an example of clarity. On one side, everything is jammed together with no clear structure. On the other, content is spaced out and sections are clearly labeled. This makes everything easy to read and understand. A clear wireframe leads to fewer questions later, especially when you start designing or building the website. The third principle is consistency. Consistency is about predictability and order. Users feel more comfortable when layouts behave the same way across a page or across a website. Tips for consistency are: align headings, buttons, and images on a grid. Use repeated patterns for similar sections, things like cards, lists, or forms. And keep navigation placement uniform across all pages. In wireframes, consistency means that headings, buttons, and images line up on a grid. Similar sections repeat the same structure, like cards or lists, and the navigation will always stay in the same place from page to page. Consistency reduces confusion and makes the site easier to use. Next is simplicity. Simplicity means removing anything that doesn't support the user goals. At the wireframing stage, this is especially important. You should follow these simplicity tips. Only include sections and content that are needed for the page. Don't worry about decoration or fancy fonts at this point in the process. Avoid cluttering wireframes with too many ideas. Here's a comparison. One wireframe includes just what's needed: a header, a main section, content cards, and a footer. The other tries to include everything: extra sidebars, multiple calls to action, and too many ideas at once. Remember that every element should have a reason to exist. If it doesn't support the page's goal, then leave it out. The final principle is content first. This means that content drives the design, not the other way around. Wireframes should start with what users need to know, not what will look cool. Some tips you can follow are to list all content before laying it out. Let the structure reflect content importance, and don't design around color or decoration first. With a content-first approach, you'll list the content before anything out. The structure should reflect what's most important, and don't design around color and decoration or styles yet. A page with strong content and a simple layout is always better than a beautiful page with weak messaging. This visual shows bad and good examples of these principles in action. The bad version ignores hierarchy, clarity, consistency, simplicity, and content priorities. The good versions apply all 5 principles together, and that's when wireframes really start to work. Here's a quick recap. Hierarchy leads the user's eye. Clarity makes every section instantly understandable. Consistency keeps patterns predictable. Simplicity removes anything non-essential. And content first lets the content shape the design. Think of these principles as your wireframing checklist. If your wireframe violates one of them, you know exactly what to fix.